Hold him up.
Oh, I don't want to bother you. I'm sorry. You're so comfortable.
Aw, what a good boy.
Hi. Say hello. Hello. Hi, honey. Hello. Hey, everyone. Does he look cute or fat? Leave you alone. I'll leave you alone. You can go back to sleep. No, stay.
You want to be with me, eh?
Yeah, he's looking at you. Do I have anything in my teeth?
No.
Okay. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a makeup tutorial. I decided to do kind of my go-to going out / holiday glam. I used only drugstore and affordable makeup products today, partially because I've been wanting to do this type of video for a while, but also because most of my makeup or my everyday makeup has been from the drugstore, just out of like convenience. I've been finding a lot of really good dupes for like really expensive high-end products at the drugstore. So if you guys enjoy, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, and hopefully I'll catch you in my next video. So let's start off with skincare. Sorry if I like talk weird or like I like mess up my words today. It's because my wisdom teeth are growing in and it fucking hurts so bad. Like it's gross. It's really gross, but they fucking hurt, and I'm getting my scans next week, but that's why I'm like talking weird. If you noticed. If you didn't, then forget what I just said. But anyways, to clean my face off, I'm gonna use my Garnier micellar water, all-in-one dry and sensitive skin. This is great for just kind of like everyday use. If you don't want to wash your face, I usually do it in the morning because I only wash my face at night most of the time. Next, I'm using my Glossier Priming Moisturizer. This is not really a drugstore product, but it is really affordable. If you guys haven't checked out Glossier products, I highly recommend you do. They're really good with their skincare, and all their makeup's kind of like everyday, no makeup look. So I definitely recommend you guys go check them out. So this is gonna double up not only as a moisturizer, but also the primer, which is nice because that lets me skip a step. So I'm gonna start with my skin today. Sometimes I start with my eyes, sometimes I start with my skin. It just depends how I feel and what kind of eye makeup I'm gonna be doing for the day. I'm not gonna be doing a crazy eye makeup look today. So that being said, I'm gonna start with my face. So for foundation, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 128 Warm Nude. It's actually in a different packaging because I got it in Sweden. I kind of like this packaging better because the packaging from Canada is like, it's like in a container that like doesn't really let you control how much you pour out, whereas this one is kind of like a, I don't know if you guys can see it. This helps you save some product. I'm going in with my Real Techniques sponge. This is also really affordable. I actually got a 4-pack on Amazon for like something like $14, which is crazy. So okay, now that that's all blended out, I'm gonna go in with my concealer. So I found the most amazing drugstore concealer. I got this off of Amazon for like $8 or something. It is the Maybelline Camouflaging Concealer in the shade 20 Light. This concealer is insane. Like, it is so freaking good. The applicator is super nice because you can really control how much you apply. So I just kind of go in with my finger, and I'm just going to put a little bit under my eyes. A little goes a long way, so you don't really need to use that much. I actually didn't even notice, but I'm using like all Maybelline face products. But honestly, I really do think that Maybelline does have great face products. So this is obviously not sponsored, but I really like Maybelline. I have two shades for my setting powder slash face powder. I have the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in Fair 05. And I usually use this color for my under eye to brighten up my under eye and just kind of like everywhere where I've concealed and like highlighted. And then for the rest of my face, I use the shade Light Medium 20. I'm gonna dab a little bit on my sponge. And I'm just carving out So keep in mind this isn't translucent powder, so it will make your eyes, I mean at least for this shade, it will make your eyes really bright. I really like that look recently, so I'm okay with that, but just keep that in mind. So I'm just doing the same thing. I'm putting a little bit on my sponge and I'm just going everywhere else on my face. You can always use a brush for this step, but I really think that the sponge allows it to really sink in your face and kind of look more like skin. What I do actually is I start with the sponge and then I use a brush to just kind of like wipe off the excess. And then I'm gonna wipe off my under eye. I'm gonna use, I'm cheating a little bit, a tiny bit, but I'm sure you can find dupes of this product in pharmacies for sure. But I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow definer in the shade Dark Brown just to define my brows a little bit. I actually haven't really used an eyebrow pencil recently. I only use brow gel to have that kind of like messy brow look, but today I kind of want to fix them up a little bit. So I'm just gonna go in with this first. Now I'm going in again with Maybelline, oh my god, Maybelline Brow Drama Sculpting Brow Mascara in Deep Brown. So I'm gonna go in with my Morphe 350 palette. This is a classic for me. It's just kind of like the best affordable, like neutral eye palette in my opinion. You kind of get everything you really need in here. So yeah, I'm gonna start off as a base shade with this color right here. Then I'm gonna go in with this kind of like pukey brown color and I'm going in my crease with that color. Next, I'm gonna go in with this reddish brown color right there. And I'm just gonna go in the crease again and brush it up even more. I'm just gonna go in the like outer V with this. So this whole process, I'm just kind of blending everything in. Okay, now for the middle of my lid, I'm going in with my Carly Bible BH Cosmetics palette. It's kind of like so ruined and so used up, but it's such a good palette and super affordable. I don't know if it's available anymore, but if you guys do have it, really good palette. So I'm using the top right color right over here. It's like a shimmery orange color. So I'm going with my finger in the middle of my lid with that. Then I'm going back to my Morphe palette and I'm using this beautiful shimmer right here. It's like an orangey, pinky, light shimmer. So I'm going to go into my inner corner with that. Okay, so for my bottom lash line, I'm going to go in with that pukey color that we used for the crease. Then I'm going in with that dark reddish burnt brown color right here again, and I'm doing the same thing, but just a little closer to my waterline. We're going to continue contouring now. So we're going to go in with the Essence Shape Your Face contouring palette. And I'm going to use the bronzing color right here to contour my face. I love this palette. Honestly, it's so affordable and it works so well. It's such a great tone for contouring. Okay, and now for my highlight, I'm going to go also with my Carly Bible palette, and I'm going to use a mix of our two highlighters right here. Oh my god, I forgot blush. Oh my god. Okay, I'm actually going to go in with that Essence contouring palette, and I'm going to go in with this rosy blush color. Now for my lips, I'm going to go in with my Annabelle lip liner in the shade 405 Demure. This is literally the best nude lip liner.
Bless you, Mom.